don't know, guys. I got so excited. Look, the thing is, I walked outside, right? It was a little box from Detroit. I was just like, huh, what did I order from Detroit? I was like, what? What is it? And it was from Amazon. All I'm going to say is, Polturepup is confirmed for Super Mario Beans. See, look at it. It's beautiful. I was so excited. Do you want to know how I got it? It's because I got it. I got it because I won in a bid. Because I bid it on the last day and I bidded the highest number. So I won. Oh my God. Okay, we're going to unbox this, all right, guys? Hold on. I'm filming through YouTube, so I can't cut it. Oh, you know, actually I can. Holy God, guys. Oh, welcome to the show, Polturepup. Oh my God, guys, it's so soft. It is so soft. Oh, I'm so glad he's here. Oh, you don't know what this thing is gonna do for the future of Super Mario Beans. So, I'm gonna review this thing. This thing gets 4.8 stars. Okay. So, Polturepup is finally here. Polturepup. Safe in the Super Mario Beans house. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. And you know what? I expected to get this for Christmas because Luigi's still in the hospital. And the thing is, when the Amazon box came, I expected it to be Luigi. But no, it's his dog. Oh, that's so cute. So, love you guys. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye. I love this thing. Goodbye.